everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club, dedicated to exploring the dynamic world of cryptocurrency tokens and NFT projects. Join us for in-depth reviews, analysis, and discussions on the latest trends, promising tokens, and innovative NFT releases. From evaluating new blockchain technologies to understanding market insights, we provide comprehensive coverage to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of crypto investments. Stay tuned, make informed decisions, and dive into the exciting dream of digital assets with us. So today I have a great project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But before we proceed, I request you all to kindly subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so don't miss my video.
So
Thank
today in
you.
this video we are going to talk about Baby SpaceX. You must have heard about Baby SpaceX as this token is already trending on many of the social channels like YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, etc. So start your DeFi journey with guaranteed price appreciation with Baby SpaceX. Here we are on the website of Baby SpaceX. You can simply check out the logo of Baby SpaceX. Here we have all the required details like Technomics, roadmap, white paper, chart, telegram game, and swap. So you can simply check the all the required details on this platform. And here we can see that we have some more details of Baby SpaceX coin. So the story of Baby SpaceX coin starts with an X highlighting tale of humanity journey to the stars. SpaceX space mission led by Elon Musk and set to take place towards the end of 2024 become a source of inspiration for us. This journey ignites our desire to turn a dream that transcends humanity into reality. Inspiration is by the behind BBX SpaceX coin stems from the exciting world of space exploration and the potential of cryptocurrencies for the future. We are a group of dreamers who are passionate about exploring the earth and beyond. And here we can see we have the white paper to check the required details. You can further check out the white paper to know more about the BBX space etc. So here we can see that what is baby etc. You can further check out the video on YouTube, so you can must be able to know more about Baby Smart X, that what is the Baby Space X and how it started. Upcoming utilities. There are coming utilities with NFT Marketplace, Swap, P2E game, and Launchpad. And here we have the tokenomics of Baby Smart Space X. So we can see that this is the contact address to Baby Space X to be able to copy this and purchase the token. They have development and team for 10% and community reward and staking is for 10%. Airdrop is also for 10% and liquidity is for 20%. CEX decentralized exchange is for 20% and PSale will be 20%. And here we can see we have the roadmap of SpaceX baby. So first is second quarter of 2024 with launch and operation of Baby SpaceX coins tech center and activation and functionality enhancement of the sniper bot. And third quarter is 2024 is for showcasing the Baby SpaceX coin at events like Token 2020-49 and the Crypto Export Dubai. Fourth quarter is for 2024 community events and tournaments, and first quarter is for 2024 for encouraging independent developments and content creators to contribute the platform, implement reward and loyalty programs to encourage the active long-term users. So this is the roadmap of Baby SpaceX, that what is the future planning of Baby SpaceX and what they are going to be part of this community. So here we can see we have the roadmap and their future plannings is mentioned here. You have to check the quarters etc. And here we are going to check the partners and team of Baby SpaceX. So you can see we have the partners and team members of Baby SpaceX on the website, which you can use to access the project. If you have any type of this question, any type of this, you can join them and you can simply contact with their team and partners. The easiest way of investing blockchain. Join us for easiest way of investing the blockchain on Baby SpaceX. So here we have some recently asked questions about Baby SpaceX coin, that Baby SpaceX prioritizes user security with robust measures ensuring a safe investment environment, and our exchange platform guarantees easiest protection through cutting edge security features. And here we can see invest in Baby SpaceX by now. And Baby SpaceX is a cryptocurrency symbolizes a passionate community to space exploration, inspiration by Baby SpaceX upcoming space and mission under the leadership of Elon Musk towards the end of 2024. This is a coin which invites humanity to expand to heresize, reach research for stars. As it pioneers are revolutionizing the cryptocurrency world, BB Space X coin also facilitates participation in humanity, future, and space adventure. Supported by a robust community and partnership, BB Space X coin emerged as one of the world's best largest projects. And here we can see we have their soul scan, so you can simply check the ratios details of BB Space X on SolScan. Let me tell you that this token is based on Solana because this is the main project, and here we can see that we have the required details of this project on Solana which you can use to access. So here we can see that we have the Dextrainer ratios of BB Space X. You can simply check out the ratios and their liquidity and their market cap on Dextrainer. So market cap is mentioned here, Dextrainer. You can simply check that. You can simply have a look on Dextrainer to get notified and get more about the BB Space X. This is a Geeko terminal, like Geeko market cap of BB Space X. So we can see that the price of BB Space X on this CoinGecko and how to purchase on CoinGecko. So here you can see the SOL and their liquidity, their market cap on Geeko terminal. So this is a Geeko terminal page of this platform which you can check. So here we can see that we have the Geeko terminals and etc. for when on this. So you have a look on this. So here we can see we have the chart of BB Space X on the platform, that what is the BB Space X on platform. So this is the chart members of BB Space X on this. So you can see that we have the required details, everything is mentioned here. So we have the social channels of BB Space X like Telegram, Twitter, which you can use to access the project. Like if you want to any type of question, if you want to be the part of this community, you can simply choose Telegram to be able to know more about the platform. So here we can see we have the required details of Telegram and etc. on BB Space X. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you like this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.